Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to embed video into Stand Store. So if you want to embed video into your Stand Store page, here's a quick guide and a straightforward method on how you can get it done. So the first thing to do is to sign in into your account. So go to your browser and type in the Stand Store URL and make sure you sign into your account using your account credentials. After that, you have to go to the edit store. So for you to go there, you have to, from your dashboard, you have to click the edit store or customize store from the menu. Then from there you have to select the section or block where you want the video to appear, such as the main page, about section, or the product area. And after that you have to add sections or add block. So then select video or custom embedded. So from there you have to copy the embedded code from your video platform like YouTube or Vimeo, then paste it into your provided box on Stand Store. And after that, use the editing tools to resize or reposition the video to fit in your page layout. So after that, click the save button and make sure your video is live and your Stand Store page will promote your video. And also use the short engaging videos that explain your offer or product clearly to attract more customers, and that's how you can easily embed video into Stand Store page. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.